Rogers' internet buffering and disconnecting often stems from their network architecture. Rogers primarily uses a hybrid fiber coaxial, or HFC network, where bandwidth is shared among users in a neighborhood. During peak hours, typically 7 to 11 p.m., this shared bandwidth leads to congestion, causing packet loss and latency spikes that directly impact streaming quality. Key factors include high latency over 50 milliseconds and jitter, which disrupt real-time streaming. Older DOCSIS 3.0 modems struggle with gigabit speeds, leading to overload and disconnections. Wi-Fi interference, especially on 2.4 GHz bands, causes additional disruptions. Potential network management practices during high usage and recent issues like the September 2025 software glitch outage have further exacerbated these problems. To minimize buffering and disconnections, start with basic troubleshooting. Regularly power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging back in. This clears temporary issues and refreshes the connection. Next, check your signal strength using the Rogers app. This helps identify if the issue is with your home setup or the broader network. Look for signal levels above 9 of 50 dBmers for optimal performance. If possible, use Ethernet cables for direct connections to your devices. This bypasses Wi-Fi interference and provides a stable wired connection, reducing latency and buffering during streaming. For better modem performance, consider upgrading to Rogers' recommended XB6, XB7, or XB8 gateways. These are optimized for faster speeds and handle gigabit connections without overload, reducing disconnections. For Wi-Fi issues, try mesh systems like Google Nest or Eero. These improve coverage, reduce dead zones, and provide consistent speeds throughout your home, minimizing buffering in multiple rooms. When streaming, ensure you have at least 25 Mbps for HD content. This minimum speed prevents buffering on platforms like Netflix or Disney+. Test your speeds regularly using the Rogers Speed Test. VPNs can sometimes bypass regional congestion, but test for latency impacts as they may increase delays. As Rogers rolls out fiber to the home and 5G home internet, these upgrades will significantly improve streaming. For immediate help, contact Rogers Support.